Hey everyone! We are so excited that you are going to register for the Grams Gang 5K 2020. We are hoping it's going to be the biggest one yet. So this is how you're going to register. I just want to make sure everyone knows exactly the steps and how to order your t-shirt and how to register correctly. So you're going to start by going to gramsgang.weebly.com and it will pull up our Grams Gang webpage. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Event Registration. And this will bring you to a couple of links. So first you're going to register for the 5K, and this is through the 5P Minus Society. So you're going to click this link right here where it says register for the 5K. I'm going to click this, and it's going to take you to the event registration page. And it's got a lot of information. You're just going to scroll down. You're going to put in all of your information here. Now this is really important, guys. You're going to choose this $5 option right here. $5 option, okay? Because you don't want to order a t-shirt. Well, if you want a Grams Gang shirt, you don't want to order a shirt through the society because the Grams Gang shirts are custom. So we have those on a separate order form. So you're going to select this registration only. You're going to click right here. And then you're going to scroll down. You're going to skip this because you have not ordered a shirt. But you are going to click here. You're going to click join a team. This is really, really crucial. You're going to click join a team and you're going to click Grams Gang. All right, and that puts you on our team. And then you're going to come down. If you want any of this fun merchandise, you can add it. And you keep scrolling down. It gives you a donation opportunity. You're going to agree to the terms and conditions here. And then you're going to save. All right. Whoops. I didn't put in anything. So you're going to save, and then it'll give you the opportunity to add another registrant. It'll give you the opportunity to pay, all of that good stuff. So that's how you register for the 5K. Now the biggest thing is that you choose this $5 option right here and that you join a team. Join a team Grams Gang. All right, so once you've done that and you're all set with your registration, you're going to come back to the Grams Gang site. And then this is where you order your t-shirt right here. You're going to click here. And this will bring you to the Grams Gang t-shirt form for 2020. You're going to fill this out. You're going to put all of your information in here, and you're going to order your shirts. All right. It gives you information on how to pay. Alexandra is going to be collecting money again this year, and all of the information is up here on how to pay her. So Venmo, or you can mail cash to her home. All right, so once you've done all of that, you are all set. All right, you are all registered for the 5K. Now, what I want you to do is share about Grams Gang, share on your social media. We want to get 200 participants this year. So we thank you guys. We love y'all. We're so excited for May 2nd. So bring all your friends, family, neighbors, all of that good stuff, and we can't wait to celebrate on May 2nd. Thanks, guys.